Welcome back, whānau, to the 2025 Taranaki Whānui Maori Rugby League, here live in Rahuru, as we see another feature match here today. Ngāti Ruanui versus Te Ātiawa. This is going to be a heck of a match. Your commentary here, Levi Lightning McPhee, bringing it to you live as we wait here for the kickoff. This is going to be a cracker of a match. Can't wait for this battle. Two big heavyweights. We wait for our official start. The kickoff has been done. It's going to be too big. And that's the first mistake there from Te Ātiawa. They will go right back to the 50. And it's going to be a penalty to Ngāti Ruanui. What a start for them. Bit of a mistake off the kickoff. And Norvally is very, very strong, so you didn't really calculate that one. This is a great opportunity. Ngāti Ruanui to start off. Tap. It's, tackle one. Ngāti Ruanui forward. Pushing up. Oh, that's an incorrect play of the ball, but he got away with that. It's a nice solid hit up. Tackle two. It's a bit of a slow play of the ball. Oh, that's solid defence there. Quick offload. Out to the back door. Shifting it wide. Ngāti Ruanui looking very, very solid at the early stages of this match. And there's tackle three. Oh, and it's a penalty. It's a penalty, and that's a giveaway. This is not a very, very good start for Te Ātiawa. Giving up possession, giving another penalty. Hopefully they can turn this ball around as Ngāti Ruanui looking to establish some points in the early stages of this game, of this titanic battle between the two sides. It's a show and go, and he's met with a solid defence. It's tackle one. Bit of a slow play of the ball there. We're back under the way. He's a big, oh, that's a big solid meet there. Oh, and he's offloaded the ball, and it's gone back. The referee said it's gone back. Established a good foundation up the middle. Has Ngāti Ruanui. There's a short ball there. Oh, he's met again solidly. This is great defense from Te Ātiawa. What have they got here as they go down that short side? Oh, that's a big shot, and he is met. And what are we going to have here? And he's caught within the... Yep. Oh, what's gone here? There's a penalty. A penalty to Te Ātiawa, and they needed that. There's been hot on attack for Ngāti Ruanui. Geez, that was a big, solid hit. That was after the play had been done. The referee had missed that one. So Te Ātiawa, a bit of a reprieve here and getting themselves out of this danger. Now back just inside their 30. So Te Ātiawa with a good, solid run up the middle. And he is nicely met by the big, solid defence of Ngāti Ruanui. Tackle two. Short ball there. Oh, and he's been told to play the ball. And he's up the middle of the field. Great stoppage there. Te Ātiawa starting to make inroads up the middle of the field. As we now tackle three. Down the short play. And he's stopped down there. Tackle four. What has Te Ātiawa got? Back outside the 20. And we are, looks like, is it tackle four? Yes, it is. This must be tackle five now. Oh, and it's a bit of a knock on there. Yes, and he knows it too. It's unfortunate. Yeah, I reckon it's whoever's going to hold on to the ball and who's going to play a structured game is going to really come out on top. And we've seen that in our previous matchup of what it's going to take to get some points on the board. So Ngāti Ruanui will have the ball in the scrum just on the 10-metre mark. Great scenes we got here at Rahuru. Great crowd coming in. They're still coming in. They're coming in by the tens, thousands. Bit of a slow ball there. What's going on here? Oh, he's not liking that. And that's a penalty. And that's going to be a gift to Ngāti Ruanui as they work it out inside their 20. Are they going to look for the sideline? It's going to be a risky play as the wind is very, very strong. Let's have a look. Oh, no, he's got the legs. He just peeled off 10 metres there. So Ngāti Ruanui will have the ball just on the 30-metre mark and tackle one. We're going there. That's greatly met by the number 15. That looks like Sam Whittingham. Has a great tackle. Tackle to just on the 40-metre line there for Ngāti Ruanui. They're starting to compose a couple of good settles here, right up the middle there. And he was well met there too. He was absolutely crunched. And a bit of a slow play of the ball. And yes, he knew that. He's grabbing the back there. It's a show and go. And it's great defense here on the short side play. Oh, and what's going on here? Oh, he's blown another penalty for a slow play of the ball. Oh, this is proving costly. With a quick tap there, Ngāti Ruanui, they are starting to pick up the pace here. They can probably smell blood. Yeah, the short play there, and that's another good meet up the middle there. Tackle two. What can they do? What can they do? Another slow play of the ball. They're probably going to give away another penalty. No, they're not. There's tackle three. They're inside the Ātiawa half. The number 8 didn't expect that ball, and that was nicely met by the Ātiawa forwards. It's pushing them back. A gain of probably a metre. Got a Ātiawa player down and back play. There's Ngāti Ruanui. Look to shift it out wide. That's a good fend. But again, the defence holds strong. Inside the 10-metre of Ātiawa. Ngāti Ruanui. Oh, that's a big shot. Came from nowhere. And that is spectacular play. That was spectacular play. Put a little bit of pressure. The ball didn't go where you wanted. And that's the fruit of the labour right there. Tackle two, Ātiawa. Working inside. Oh, and that's a big reprieve. They would be loving this. They needed that. It's a few hands on hips from the Ātiawa side. This is going to be a battle of the fit men here. Oh, that's a shocking kick, and it didn't go out. Crikey, Mikeys. Crikey, Mikeys. And there's bottles been thrown everywhere. Tackle two. As Ngāti Ruanui hot on attack now. As Ātiawa looking to get back into defence mode. As Ngāti Ruanui are looking to spread it out wide. Bit of a show and go. Oh, that's a great hit. That's a great hit from Ātiawa. Tackle three there. A little bit of argy-bargy here, but it's not gonna help Ātiawa. They need to focus on the game. There's looks like that's tackle four here. What can they pull out of the bag? The backs are very, very shallow. Probably need to give themselves a few. Oh, that's a great. Oh, and he's left the ball behind. The cut there was definitely on, but he dropped the ball like his fingers were still greasy from KFC last night. As we take a bit of a moment to thank again our sponsors. And our major sponsors, they're fantastic. As we reset play from the scrum. Tackle 1. Ātiawa inside their 20. Short play the ball. And that's where we've seen a lot of space just behind that ruck. And he's getting a bit of a workover, and that was stupid. That's a gimme. That is an absolute gimme. He risked the biscuit, and it didn't pay off. So Ātiawa will get that ball, and hopefully can. Oh, it's another shocking kick. Oh, and it's a knock on. Oh, jeez. What's going on here? Someone put some extra Vaseline on their rugby ball because it's a slippery one out there. Jeez. But they've got the ball back. Very, very lucky. Ātiawa will have the ball on the 50-metre. Ātiawa with a bit of a trick play, and it's definitely on. The ball sits up, and it's sitting in the half, and that's a great play from Ātiawa. They did a trick play, and it nearly paid off. And Ngāti Ruanui kicked the ball just in time. So this is going to be a dropout on the goal line to Ātiawa. Are we going to see our first points on the board? As we just wait for the drop kick here. And as expected, the ball's holding up in that wind. Oh, and it is a knock on. Unfortunately, that was actually one of the best kicks we've seen from the goal line dropout this afternoon and this morning. And it just held up enough. But unfortunately, the Ngāti Ruanui player just bobbled the ball on as he went to pick it up. So we got a scrum to Ātiawa with great field position just on the 10-metre mark. Oh, that's a great play. That's a great solid hit up. Shifting across the line, though. Need to straighten that up. Oh, it's great ball play there. Oh, but he's lost it. Oh, and that's what it is, people. It is wet. It is slippery. Ball handling is going to be a big thing for today's games. And they gave away that possession. Could have been turned into 4 points, but it's a handover. Ngāti Ruanui with the ball 10 out. Oh, and he's dropped the ball off play 1. Oh, and that's costly. That is absolutely costly. Gives Ātiawa another chance with the ball inside the 20. This could be big. Again, while we have an opportunity to thank our major sponsors, the Toi Foundation, the One Foundation, Te Kahu o Te Taranaki, Te Ruanga o Te Ruanui. Apologies about the pronunciation. I will get better as we reset there. And he's broken through the line. Oh, and it is. It's a try. Try to the big man. He just busted through that line and he scores. That looked a little bit too easy, but geez, he's a hard man to stop. Has anyone got comms, please? What, please? Thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, just got confirmation of the score. It's 4-0 to Ātiawa. Kick to come. Broaden looks to make that 6-0.
Why you not suited up?
And he has 6-0. Ātiawa. As we start to approach the half-time break. This is a really, really good passage for Ātiawa as they were hot on defence on their own goal line for such a long time. But as we said previously, ball handling is going to be the key. And Ngāti Ruanui just turned that ball over on their first tackle off the scrum. And that's what it's going to be. Oh, and that's a knock on there. Jeez,
Was that converted?
Yeah, we're starting to see a lot of knock-ons and spill the balls. Yeah, again, that holding on to that ball and doing the simple things right. Actually, really, really hard with the conditions here. The rain has stopped, but the ball is very, very greasy. So, Ngāti Ruanui with great field position here inside the Ātiawa's 30. Can they get points before the half? On the scrum. Inside ball. He's met with some really, really good defence from Ātiawa. Tackle 1. Slowly play the ball. Oh! He hit him like a bell ringer. We heard it from here. Ātiawa starting to put the heat on. Ngāti Ruanui are camping on their 10. Ātiawa hold off again. This is good defense. Well, that shot was great. Ngāti Ruanui, he takes it himself. Oh, he's played there and it's a bit too much. And it's a reset on the 20. Ātiawa hold off. But geez, that shot, that would be the shot of the day so far. As we get to tackle 0 here. And that's great play right behind the ruck. And Ātiawa, looks like a little bit of a flop, but he gets away with it. Oh, he's going on with it. Ngāti Ruanui letting Ātiawa get those. Another great shot. Jeez, these are some barrelings happening around here. Oh, and he spilled the lollies. Unlucky because Ātiawa were hot. They were absolutely marching up that field. And unfortunately, they knocked the ball on inside the Ngāti Ruanui's half. So we packed down the scrum. Again, I'd like to thank all the major sponsors and all the associated sponsors that have made this game possible for us today. Big ups to all the supporters that have ventured out in this cold and wet conditions. As you see, the crowd still piling in. And what a game that we have here. Ātiawa and Ngāti Ruanui going at it. And they go along the short side. And as we settle here, the first tackle on the 40. One-off play there and met by heavy defence from the Ātiawa side. Tackle 2, 45 out. And It's a nice hit there, but looks like he's dropped the ball. It's a scramble. Who's got the ball? Yes. And it's a knock on from Ngāti Ruanui. Yep, ball handling is going to be a big feature of this tournament, and who can hold on to the ball the most. As we start to count down to half-time, this is a great opportunity for Ātiawa to put some more points on the board. We're off the scrum. Oh, that's a great run. And that's the try scorer. He's very, very hard to stop. Oh, he wasn't quite expecting that ball. But that looks like it's going to be tackle 2. We're 39 metres out of the Ngāti Ruanui try line. Oh, it's another big shot there. We are seeing some epic shots here, Whānui. Crikey Mikeys, and they got to do this all again tomorrow. How is their bodies going to hold up? Tackle 3 out the back. Ātiawa, hot on attack, shifting out wide. That's a great pass to the back. Great flick pass. Sam Whittingham will go to line, and he will score. That's great work. What a flick pass. Sam Whittingham will score underneath the post. It is 10-0. Great work down the sideline. Blistering. I don't know if you've seen that, Whānui, but that was NRL styles right there.
You know when they play for Japan? I'll use it properly. Yes.
That was scintillating, scorching down that sideline. And Sam Whittingham, they weren't going to stop him that close to the line. Crikey. That's some excellent play. Brought in to push it out to 12-0. Second half is on the horizon. Ātiawa 12. Ngāti Ruanui 0. As we have the restart coming up.
Do you play too?
Rugby. As we see some fresh wheels come onto the field for Ngāti Ruanui. What have they got up their sleeves to close out that half? We're waiting for the ball. Again, we just want to thank everyone. I want to thank everyone again for coming in and supporting the great cause of Taranaki Maori Rugby League. All our volunteers, take your hats off. What another marvellous tournament we have here. And it can only be in Taranaki. Where else can it be? Yeah, and we see another little letdown there. Ngāti Ruanui had an opportunity to get that ball, but ball handling has been a bit of a problem. Actually, no, they have got the ball. So Ātiawa was the first infringement there of the knock-on. And Ruanui will get the ball inside the Ātiawa half. 28 metres out on the Ātiawa line. That's a heavy defence up the middle. What has Ngāti Ruanui have got before the half? It's 12-0. Ātiawa. Tackle 2. Backdoor play. Oh, that's a cheeky play. And that's well read by the Ātiawa defence. Tackle 3. 10 metres out. And they go shift on the short side. A little grubber kick behind. And it's too hard. If they held onto that ball, it could have been a different story. So it's a reset on the 20. And we are back to tackle 0. And it's a good defence there. Probably a bit of rush of blood on that last play there from Ngāti Ruanui. They just needed to hold on to that ball. They had a lot of plays still left, a lot of tackles up the sleeve, but they decided to shift it out. And Ngāti Ruanui met the forward run of Ātiawa, and he was crunched. Great tackle. Tackle three. Oh, that's a great shoulder. Jeez, we heard that one from here. Tackle 4 on the 50. Ātiawa. Again, there's that space up the middle there. Oh, no. Geez, that didn't look too good. That tackler from Ngāti Ruanui doesn't look too good. Look very gingerly now. They're starting to spread out wide. And there was an inside ball. Oh, he doesn't quite get it. Oh, great hands. And the ball's still alive as they push it out wide. Oh, and the cheeky crack. And, oh, what a try. That's sensational. Under the post. Last play, the hooter went, and they've given the try. That's sensational. Did you just see that, Whānui? It's no try? No. He's waved it off, no try, but they look spectacular. What a... Oh, and it's a... Oh, he was offside. Oh.
Are you ready, mate?
And that's the half. So, Ātiawa, 12. Ngāti Ruanui, 0.
1, 2, 2, get up, man. Hey, boy.
Welcome back, whānau, to the second half of this epic battle between Ātiawa and Ngāti Ruanui. And apologies to all our listeners out there of my pronunciations of the teams. I'm a newbie, but I'm giving it my best. And we do appreciate all your comments that are online. And we will do better as Ātiawa work it outside their half. Oh, and that's a great start from Ātiawa right at the start of the second half, as this will give them a bit of a reprieve to get into the Ngāti Ruanui half. They take the tap, and he's met well. Tackle one, still inside the Ātiawa half. Oh, and that's a big shot there. That looked pretty high, but he's gotten away with that one there. Tackle two. Smiles all around as we see that there's another attack up the middle of the park there. Tackle three. As the rain is starting to come in, and that's a great double pump there. And that's great ball play out wide. Tackle three. Ātiawa, hot on attack. Pushing out into the middle of the field, taking a settle. And that is actually tackle five. And the ball play, and is that no? That's that he's entitled to that ball, and he was definitely onside. So Ngāti Ruanui will get that ball back, and they will leave some pressure there. Tackle one, and they're still camping inside the 10 there. Ngāti Ruanui as they push hard up the middle there. Tackle two on the 20, and that's a slow play of the ball. A lot of fatigue setting into this game as a lot of work has been done up the middle there. Ngāti Ruanui will push the ball out in the centre of the field. Oh, that's very well met there. And that's tackle five. And that's great defence from Ātiawa. Oh, and the ball is skidded off the side of the boot, but it will go into touch just on the 40-metre of Ātiawa's territory. Well, getting back to the game, so we have Ātiawa hot on attack, but slow play the ball. So there's tackle four going down the short side. They're hot on attack, double pump there. Oh, and that's brilliant play. The show and go, and that came from waiting for confirmation. Still waiting on confirmation of that try scorer. It's like it's number 6. And we've got here Rangi Chase. A beautiful show and go. Drew the defence out wide, and he just ended up got the score at 16 points to 0 to Ātiawa. Kick to come. Brought into push the ball out. Oh, it's a great kick. He's got the legs, and it just goes across the uprights. So score 16 points to 0 to Te Ātiawa. And apologies again there, Whānui, for all the people that are watching this live. It's quite hard to see the numbers on the back of the players there, but we will try our very best to get those names of those players. Number 11 for Te Ātiawa hits it up, and that is Timmy Ransfield. That was a great run. Great run. Just outside a bit of a push and shove. And it's getting a little bit heated. Ngāti Ruanui starting to sort of feel the pinch there behind 16 points to 0. As Cruz Reihana straight up the middle. Those old legs are going to take him to just above the 45 metres. Te Ātiawa hot on attack as they push out wide. Oh, and that's another great run out the wide. And he is stopped 10 metres out to Ngāti Ruanui. And Sam Whittingham looks like, yes, it is. Muscling his way over to the line. It's fifth and final. But what an attack by Te Ātiawa. Can they put some more points on this board? Oh, there's a bit of a flick pass out the back. Oh, and it's a knock on. And that's a turnover. Ngāti Ruanui. Oh, and that's heavily met there. Landis taking a hit up, and what a solid contact from Te Ātiawa. As Ngāti Ruanui struggling to get it outside the 20. Tackle 3. Apologies, that's tackle 2. And that's another great tackle. Oh, early kick there. That's not a bad option there, especially with the wind there. And that's pushing Te Ātiawa back inside their own half. And that's just set up before the goal line. And that's a good chase too. Te Ātiawa struggling to get back. It's a few hands on hips there. Tackle 1. It's a new man on the field. And he takes a hit up there. Tackle 2. Oh, and that's a solidly met there. And also Josh Willis there. And a big hit. Oh. And that's a driving hit up there. Oh, another one. So as we start to approach the end of the game, Te Ātiawa 16 points ahead. What does Ngāti Ruanui have up their sleeve? Oh, and that's a great defense by, looks like number 11, Timmy Ransfield. Oh, great defense. Cruz Reihana. Sorry, Cruz Rana. Oh, and another one. Tackle 3 up the middle. So dummy half wasn't square. Got away with that one. So it's tackle 4. Oh, that's a shot. But it wasn't a good one. It was a shoulder. And this will give Ngāti Ruanui an opportunity to get inside the 20 where they need to get some points on the board quickly because time is against them at the moment. It's down 16 points to 0. Start to count down to the end of the game. What does Ngāti Ruanui have? Restart off Brendan Hikaka there. and he will do a dummy, and he will do a show. Oh, and that was just giving the ball back. And that's not what they needed right there, Whānau. Ātiawa will have the scrum on the 20-metre mark. As the rain continues to pour down here at Rahudu grounds. I'm glad to be up here with the cameraman. We've got a little bit of shelter here, but geez, all those hearty supporters out there that are braving those conditions, I'll take my hat off. Cheers. As Ātiawa work it outside, near 20, tackle 2. Bringing ball. Oh, that's a high contact there. Yeah, that was very high contact. And that was on Willie Iruwata. Apologies about the pronunciations of the names. There's a quick tap there. And we'll continue to bring you the best coverage of the commentary and videos, media alike here out of Rahudu for the 2025 Taranaki Whānui Maori Rugby League competition. What a game. Ātiawa really put in the real great display of rugby league here. We have a bit of a stoppage here, and we have got number 6, Brendan Aston Landers, but he's going to stay on the field. He's a tough boy. A little bit of a chip kick behind. He hasn't quite gathered it. It looks like it's a try. It is. It's a try. Ātiawa didn't give up on the chase, and they will get the fruits. Waiting for confirmation of the try scorer. Ātiawa, 20 points to 0. Wow, what a display of rugby league, especially in these conditions as well. And we haven't quite got the try scorer's number yet. As soon as we do, we will let you know. And Broughton looks like he's stepping up to the plate to make the number 2 was a try scorer, and that is Nui. If I pronounced your name wrong, I've done it a million times today, so apologies. Ātiawa putting on a really good display of footy in these conditions. It's absolutely spectacular, sensational.
Yeah, cool.
And Broughton will bring up the flags, and he will push the score out to 22 points to 0.
Yeah.
What a great display of rugby league from Ātiawa in these conditions. I mean, we've seen it at the start of the half. It was absolutely sensational. Short play, the score underneath the post. This team here looks like a very big, serious competitor for the title as we get the play underway. And that's going to be too much again. And that's going to be, I think, the second time in this match where we will have a penalty on halfway for a kick that has gone dead on the fly. So Ātiawa, they have an opportunity to pole on some more points. we start to count down, the end of the game, but this is a very, very clinical performance from Te Ātiawa. They're going, really, really going. Te Ātiawa will take the first hit up. Tackle 2, Te Ātiawa looking to pile some more points on to end the game. Cruz Rana will take the hit up, and he's been a hard man to stop. This has been a spectacular game from him. Oh, and there's a kick, and it's been let go, and that will be a dropout. And again, Te Ātiawa will get the ball back unless Ngāti Ruanui find something, pull something out of the bag. Can they get some points? And that's a solid drop kick, and that's and not only did I hear it, but the crowd heard it too. That was a big probably one of the only mistake there that Te Ātiawa have done through this second half. As Ngāti Ruanui will grab the ball on the halfway, can they get some points on the board for their fans? Oh, and it's a little kick. Oh, and he's got the pace. Does he have the wheels? Oh, he's got the ball. That's a great kick, but it just fell short. Ngāti Ruanui are hot on attack there, and the ball's getting shifted out wide. He steps back inside. Oh, did he go? He had players on the outside, and yes, they were offside, but there was a try big in there. He had an opportunity to draw and pass. There were players on his outside, but he opted to come back inside, but they get the penalty. Quick tap off inside the 10 metres, and that's great defence from Te Ātiawa. Tackle 1. Oh, and he's just got that ball there. Ngāti Ruanui, hot on attack. Great hands. Oh, and he's dropped the ball. And that has been, that's basically been the highlight of the game for a lot of the players, the knock-ons, and that's, again, very, very tough conditions out there for all players. Ball is very, very wet, greasy.
Oh, yeah.
It's a lot of fatigue that's starting to get into some of the players out here. And, yeah, I can't believe it, but they've got another day of this as well. So it's going to be a lot of rest tonight as Te Ātiawa work it out from their half. And what have we got here? We've got refs decided to blow the whistle just to see if it still works. We tackle 2. Te Ātiawa. Oh, that's great short play of the ball, but he looks like he's lost it into the player. He has. That's a very, very tough one to bring in. He didn't really need to push that pass, doing all the things right. But the ball turns over. So this gives Ngāti Ruanui a great opportunity to get some points on the board. What can they do? Another kick from half. Oh, here we go. There's no one from behind from Te Ātiawa. Oh, where did this man come from? Oh, that's not part of the game there. And Te Ātiawa will get the penalty. Well, I don't think that they were onside. They were in front of the kicker. Unfortunate. But the winger, it was... Oh, Crossen, Rawdon with a spectacular foot race to the ball. But Ngāti Ruanui were offside. Tackle one. And as Ātiawa work it out from their own 20. And that's a good solid run. Quick play of the ball there for Te Ātiawa. And that's a great solid run from the big man. And that's Lewis, the great carry. Te Ātiawa looking to close out the game. Chip kick. And the ball is going to bounce around. Who's got the ball? It's going around like a pinball machine. And he's offside. Yep. Well, the ball went around back and forth. And the ref has blown his penalty to Ngāti Ruanui. Oh, that's a great kick. Is it going to go out? It's going to go out. Oh, that's a great kick. That was nearly 70 metres on the fly. And the ref wasn't generous. The sidelinesman wasn't generous. He was probably another 10 metres away from that. But his eyes are better than mine. Ngāti Ruanui will get the ball. Can they get some points to finish off this game? Can they give their supporters something to cheer about? Tackle 2 coming up. Oh, it's a big shot from Lewis. He's been phenomenal in defence today. Inside ball. Need him. He's been solid. Oh, quick play from the half. Oh, and he just got short of the line. As Te Ātiawa hold desperately. Oh, what a great ball play. Held it up, short ball, ran an extremely good line. Ngāti Ruanui will put points on the board. 16 points to 4. Sorry, 22 points to 4. Landers looks to add the 2 points to put some smiles on their supporters' faces as we are counting down to the final minutes of the game. Te Ātiawa. Te Ātiawa to kick off the ball from halfway as the players are walking back towards the halfway line. And the rain has stopped. And the ball holds up again in the wind. Oh, and there's a bit of a knock, and it's a knock on. Regathered by the Te Ātiawa player, and it's play on. And Willis will play the ball. 15 out. And that's a Ruanui line. And that's a quick play from the half. Oh, and it's a spin around. And he's been held up. It was a good effort. And the full-time siren has sound, and that's the game. Te Ātiawa, 22. Ngāti Ruanui, 6.
They're just from ChatGPT, right? Yeah, I've just got a few one-liners, and so I haven't hardly used any of them.
Yep.
I'll get some